Let's say you have one of these. You love this and you love playing with it, and normally you use this, a big old 6S battery, and you play with this and you find it is fairly close to uncontrollable at 6S power. So you want an option where it is more controllable and you get more drive time. And I found these batteries, which are 4S, incredibly powerful, a ton of power storage, which gives you that long play time that we all want, right? We want to be able to run it for 20 minutes and just enjoy it. And I find the 4S to be that perfect balance of violent power, yet still controllable and fun. Like, you will giggle yourself silly, but you will not destroy this and scare yourself over and over again. That's my personal use case for this. There are a ton of other options where you might want to use these, but for me, that's why I chose these, and that's why I use them on my 6S to run as a 4S. Hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.